Welcome to Tactic. Tactic enables you to build AI workflows without talking to an engineer. You can import your own data, tell generative AI to focus on it, ask it questions, and generate reports and analysis. Here's why Tactic is different. It's easy to use. There's live feedback on the questions that you ask and the instructions that you give. You can use it to analyze a big document or multiple documents. You can add notes and explanations as you go along. And critically, when you're done with your analysis and build your report, it's shareable and you can reproduce all your analysis by replaying all the questions on this current file or a different set of files. Let me show you how this works. Anybody can sign up to Tactic for free, so please give this a try. When you sign up to Tactic, you're presented to this screen where you have an open project that's waiting for you to upload some files. So let's start with that. I'm going to first start uploading one file. And you can see that it's a small file, so it instantly completed. What Tactic enables me to do is to build text blocks and question blocks around an analysis on these set of files. So maybe we can start by asking some questions about the data, like what is the security measures implemented? Great. So I get my answers fairly quickly, and maybe I want to deep dive into something. So I would like to see what kind of firewall is there. And maybe I want some more context, so I can say I want 120 words in an answer. The other thing I can do is I can also ask for different answer types. So for example, I can say a number and I can ask how many days are backups kept. So you can see that it has given me a number instead of a long paragraph. I can also do like yes, no. Is this hosted on Azure? If the AI is not confident or there's no evidence to answer a question, it would actually give you no answer. So let's ask something that probably isn't in the document itself. As you can see, the AI would say there's no answer found, making sure that there's no hallucination or invention of some fake answers. Now, as we explore this data, we can keep on asking questions to dive in. So here, for example, there is a file transfer process. So we can say, tell me more about the file transfer process. Finally, where there's no answer, we can actually tidy it up by deleting things that are not important. So maybe I can do this. Nice. Now, let me tell you about how you can use multiple documents to analyze one topic. So here I've uploaded 5 documents for the company Grant Thornton. You might be grouping it by supplier, you might be grouping it by company, you might be grouping it by academic subject. It's up to you. But basically, you can group however many source documents as you want in Tactic under the same topic. You can ask them questions, which then the AI will go around and collect sources across the documents and give you a summarized answer. I want to highlight a few things that we've done to make sure that this is as comprehensive as possible. So each answer is optimized to cover as many key points as possible so that you can drill down on it without us trying to spend too many words talking about one thing. The second thing is it tries to pick out very specific key details, like how they planted 1,600 fruit trees, the name of some of their initiatives like Out and Equal and Disability In, and this means that this is much more enterprise ready and knowledge work ready than other types of AI systems. The last thing I want to show you guys is how you can compare and generate a comparison between different documents. So here I've uploaded 3 documents, 3 terms and conditions on the left. You can see that every time I ask a question, Tactic answers it per document that I've uploaded. And so across these 3 terms and conditions, I can see what are the payment terms, what is the jurisdiction, what are the termination clauses, what are liabilities taken by the customer, and so on and so forth. And when I'm done comparing this, I can simply export this to a CSV and share it with my colleagues. And that's it. That's Tactic. It's free for you to try. Please give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you so much.